Hello guys, welcome to Miniature GT. I hope you are all fine. Let's unbox the last car of the Hot Wheels motorshow 5-pack collection 20 Jaguar F-Type. First Jaguar F-Type concept car was unveiled at Frankfurt Motor Show 2011. The convertible version of F-Type was first unveiled at Sundance, London, which was followed by a presentation at the 2012 Paris Motor Show and the 2013 Goodwood Festival of Speed. The facelift F-Type was unveiled in December 2019. Jaguar F-Type P300 is the entry-level model having a 2.0L turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine rated at 300 PS, 400 Nm torque. It accelerates to 97 km/h in 5.7 seconds and has a top speed of 250 km/h. Shiny maroon color of the Jaguar F-Type looks cool. Detailing in this car is far better than the other collection cars. I love the sleek headlights of the car. Off-course headlights are decals, front grille, and side air intake well designed. Detailing on all over the car is fantastic. Chrome wheels make it more attractive. Interior of the car is also well made. In the rear of the car, big black diffuser make it sporty, which is nicely detailed. Taillights are stickers. Bottom of the car is made from black plastic. So guys, do you like this 20 Jaguar F-Type? Please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Stay